Easy cleanup. Dishwasher safe grinding bowl. The grinding bowl on this coffee bean grinder is designed with durable stainless steel. It's removable for easy filling and pouring and is dishwasher safe. Grind enough to brew up to 12 cups of coffee. If you love the delicious taste of coffee made from freshly ground beans, this electric coffee grinder is perfect for the job, whether you're grinding coffee for a quick cup or a full pot. Simple, intuitive. The coffee grinder is so easy to use that you'll want to drink flavorful coffee made from freshly ground coffee beans every day. Just place the lid on the grinder and press the button to grind coffee. Release to stop grinding. Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind 4.5 ounces electric coffee grinder for beans, spices and more. The Hamilton Beach Fresh Grind coffee grinder makes it easy to enjoy the taste of freshly ground coffee every morning without a lot of messy cleanup. Because it's removable, the durable grinding bowl is also easy to fill with coffee beans and makes it easy to pour ground coffee after grinding. The electric coffee grinder grinds enough coffee to brew up to 12 cups. It's simple and intuitive to use whether you're new to whole bean coffee grinding or have been grinding your own beans for years. Just place the lid on the grinder and press the button to grind coffee and release to stop grinding. Top reviews from the United States. Terrific grinder. This little grinder works better than my more expensive one did, which I have since gotten rid of. I could never get my other one to grind bigger than a powder for espresso. Nothing like the smell of fresh ground coffee beans in the morning. Almost as good as the taste of the coffee made with them. Good value for the money, you won't be disappointed. Would recommend buying a brush to brush out after grinding. Whole beans have an oil on them, so they stick a little in a fine layer after dumping out grinds. Brush makes cleaning a snap. Little grinding cup lifts out to easily dump grinds into coffee filter with no mess or to wash with soap water when you want.